DNA synthesis. The DNA synthesis is called replication. The DNA synthesis starts at a specific point called replication forks. For example, this is the DNA strand. This is the template strands of the DNA. The template strand of the DNA. In the replication occur, for example, at this point. At this point, the replication process, the DNA synthesis process starts. This side is called the replication forks. The replication forks. At the replication forks, the new nucleotides are added. The new nucleotides are added. For example, this chain is 3' to 5'. This is 5' to 3'. The nucleotides will be added at opposite direction. Starts from the opposite direction. The nucleotides are added at this position. They are started from 5' and the nucleotides are added at this direction. These nucleotides are added by the help of enzyme. That enzyme called RNA polymerase and DNA polymerase. RNA and DNA polymerase. By the help of enzymes, these enzymes called RNA and DNA polymerase. The DNA polymerase cannot act without the RNA polymerase, so the both enzymes are needed to start the replication of DNA. To start the replication of DNA, so the replications are starts. Now this point, this replication, the errors can be occur. Errors can be occur. The errors are corrected by different enzymes. Errors are corrected by the different enzymes, and finally there is normal new strains. Normal new strain. Error are corrected by enzymes. The second stage is the unwinding or separation of these two strains. For example, these two strains are the template strains. These were the two template strain. This and this was the template strain, that is original strains. These are become separated. That is called unwinding of the strain by the help of enzyme called helicase. By the help of enzyme called helicase. By the help of enzyme that is called helicase. This helicase separate these two strands of DNA. Helicase. This helicase separate the two strands of the DNA. And the winding, that is zipping of these strands again, is prevented by another enzyme. This enzyme called topoisomerase. Topoisomerase. Topoisomerase prevent this recoiling of these template strain. This is the template strain, that is the original strain. Template strain. These two are the template strain. They are become separated by the helicase enzymes. And the fragments of the nucleotides are added. For example, this is 3' to 5'. The fragments can be added from 5' to 3' opposite region. The fragments are added. These fragments of nucleotides, these are the nucleotide fragments. These are called Okazaki fragment. Okazaki fragments. Okazaki fragments. They are added. They are added. And finally, the new strands become completed. The new strands become completed. The new strand will be 5' to 3', and for this the new strand, this is 5' to 3', and the new strands will be, that is the new synthesized strands. This will be from 3' to 5' anti-parallel, and fragments are added. These are called Okazaki fragments. Okazaki fragments. And finally, these two, this become double stranded with this, the template strand, and this become the strand with template strand. Finally, the two strands and two DNA molecules are formed. Two DNA molecules are formed, and finally errors are corrected by different enzymes. These two DNA molecules can be combined by a glue enzyme. There is a glue to combine and join these two strands. One is the template strand and other is the new formed strand. This glue enzyme is called ligase. Ligase. Ligase acts like a glue and joins these two strands. It also joins these Okazaki fragments. These Okazaki fragments are also jointed by the ligase enzyme. Jointed by the ligase enzyme, and two strands of DNA molecules are formed